Welcome to Pixel Tales. Today, we're making a simple and cool anime bookmark. Inspired by Naruto, one of the most loved anime characters ever. This is perfect for school students, anime fans, or anyone starting a small business. First, go to Google and search for canva.com, then click the first link and sign in for free. Now search for bookmark and open any free template as base. You can choose any of these free template. Remove the unwanted designs. Click the upload icon and select the image that you want to use in your bookmark. Adjust the size. Set the background color. Add title or any quotes if you wish. You can even change the font of the writings. Add a quote or name, like, "Believe it," or, "Uzumaki Naruto." Once done, click download, and your design is ready. And just like that, your anime bookmark is done. Like and subscribe for more fun and creative ideas. Follow me for more beginner-friendly projects every week. Thank you.